Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question many gamers and tech enthusiasts face. Should you build a PC, buy a pre-built, or just get a console? It's a tough decision with a lot of factors to consider, from budget and performance to convenience and customization. We'll break down each option, weighing the pros and cons to help you make the best choice for your gaming needs. Whether you're a hardcore gamer looking for the absolute best performance or a casual player who just wants to jump into the action, we've got you covered. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. First up, let's talk about building your own PC. This is the option that screams, "I'm a tech enthusiast." It's like building your own lightsaber. You get to choose every single component, from the processor and graphics card to the RAM and storage. This level of customization means you can create a machine tailored perfectly to your needs and preferences. Want the best possible performance for gaming at 4K resolution with all the graphical bells and whistles? No problem, you can handpick the most powerful components available. Or maybe you're more interested in a budget-friendly build that still delivers smooth gameplay at 1080p. You have the power to make it happen, and the beauty of building your own PC doesn't stop there. Upgradability is another huge advantage. As technology advances and new components hit the market, you can easily swap out older parts for newer ones, keeping your system future-proof and performing at its best. Need more RAM for demanding games? Just pop in another stick. Want to upgrade to the latest graphics card? Go for it. This flexibility is something you won't find with pre-built PCs or consoles. But let's be real, building a PC isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It requires a certain level of technical knowledge and comfort with computer hardware. You'll need to do your research, choose compatible components, and carefully assemble everything yourself. It's like putting together a complex Lego set, but with the added pressure of knowing that one wrong move could fry your components. And let's not forget about cable management, which can turn into a tangled nightmare if you're not careful. Then there's the cost. While building a PC can potentially save you money compared to a similarly spec'd pre-built system, it's not always the cheapest option. Plus, you might be tempted to splurge on top-of-the-line components, quickly driving up the price. So, building a PC is all about maximum customization, upgradability, and the satisfaction of creating something with your own two hands. But it comes with the trade-off of requiring technical know-how, time, and potentially a higher upfront cost. Now, let's talk about pre-built PCs. As the name suggests, these systems come already assembled and ready to go right out of the box. This is a huge advantage for those who don't want to deal with the hassle of building their own PC or simply don't have the technical expertise. It's like buying a car. You don't need to know how to build an engine to drive one. You just choose the model that fits your needs and budget, and you're good to go. Pre-built PCs offer a level of convenience that's hard to beat. Another benefit of pre-built PCs is customer support. If something goes wrong with your system, you have a company to contact for help. This can be a lifesaver, especially if you're not comfortable troubleshooting hardware or software issues yourself. Most pre-built PC manufacturers offer warranties that cover defects and malfunctions, giving you peace of mind knowing that you're protected if something goes wrong. However, pre-built PCs also come with some drawbacks. One of the biggest downsides is the limited customization options. While you can often choose from different configurations with varying levels of performance, you're generally stuck with the components that the manufacturer has chosen. This means you might not be able to get the exact combination of parts you want, and you'll likely have to pay a premium for any upgrades or customizations. Another potential downside is the higher cost. Pre-built PC manufacturers mark up the price of their systems to cover their assembly and support costs, so you'll typically end up paying more for a pre-built PC compared to building a comparable system yourself. However, this price difference isn't always significant, and for some, the convenience and peace of mind might be worth the extra cost. In a nutshell, pre-built PCs are all about convenience, ease of use, and the assurance of customer support. They're a great option for those who value their time and want a hassle-free experience. However, be prepared to pay a premium for this convenience and sacrifice some level of customization. Chapter 3. Let's talk about consoles, the gaming powerhouses that have dominated living rooms for decades. Consoles like the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X offer a compelling gaming experience with their optimized hardware and exclusive game titles. These consoles are specifically designed for gaming, with every component chosen to deliver the best performance. They're like finely tuned sports cars, built for speed and agility on the digital racetrack. One of the biggest advantages of consoles is their affordability. Consoles typically launch at a lower price point than gaming PCs, making them more accessible. Plus, you don't need to worry about upgrading components, as the console's hardware is designed to last. Another major selling point for consoles is their ease of use. Consoles are designed to be plug and play, meaning you can start gaming within minutes. There's no need to install drivers or configure settings. The user interface is streamlined and intuitive. And let's not forget about exclusive games. Consoles often have exclusive titles that you can't play anywhere else. These games showcase the console's capabilities and offer unique experiences. However, consoles also come with their limitations. One of the biggest drawbacks is their limited versatility. Consoles are primarily designed for gaming and can't match the productivity of a PC. Another limitation is the lack of upgradability. Unlike PCs, consoles are essentially fixed systems. Consoles offer a compelling gaming experience with their optimized hardware, exclusive games, affordability, and ease of use. They're a great option for those who prioritize gaming and want a simple, hassle-free experience. However, be aware of their limitations in terms of versatility and upgradability. So what's the best choice for you? It all comes down to your needs, preferences, and budget. If you value customization, upgradability, and versatility for various tasks, building a PC might be the way to go. If convenience and customer support are your top priorities, a pre-built PC could be the perfect fit. And if you prioritize affordability, ease of use, and exclusive games, a console might be the best option for your gaming needs. Let us know in the comments what you think. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.